2014 will go down as the warmest year around the globe in recorded history.
2015 was the hottest year since climate records began.
Figures show this July was the single hottest month in recorded history.
Australia sweltered through its hottest spring on record.
The phenomenon was a short-term trigger to a long-term global warming caused by human activity.
Climate change is now affecting every country on every continent.
The greenhouse effect is damaging the Earth. One of the causes of the greenhouse effect is the freon gas released from your air conditioners. The freon gas would damage the ozone layer, causing global warming.
From the belching power stations of China to the burning forests of Brazil, more greenhouse gases than ever are being added to the air we breathe. New research by the United Nations Environment Programme shows emissions are climbing and the world is lacking the collective political will to do anything about it. Only by cutting emissions by 7% every year for the next decade does the planet stand any reasonable chance of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees.
But now, EnerSafe has just launched a new air conditioner that includes an eco-friendly refrigerant called R290. Together, we enjoy the cooling without contributing to global warming.